Welcome to Emgotv1. Today we're diving into the world of 1980s action movies, a decade where gritty realism took center stage. We're talking explosions that'll rattle your bones, heroes who look like they've been through hell and back, and stories that grab you by the throat and never let go. These films brought raw intensity and unforgettable characters to the big screen. Don't forget to subscribe for more movie history explorations. 1988. You're invited to a Christmas party you'll never forget. This is Die Hard. Bruce Willis bursts onto the scene as John McClane, a New York cop in the wrong place at the wrong time. Trapped in a skyscraper taken hostage by terrorists, he's our only hope. McClane isn't invincible. He's a regular guy, barefoot and full of doubt. It's about McClane's journey, his will to survive and his determination to save his wife. A masterclass in suspense and character development, wrapped in a blood-soaked Christmas bow. Die Hard isn't just a movie, it's a cultural phenomenon. 1984, James Cameron unleashes a relentless killing machine onto the big screen, The Terminator. Arnold Schwarzenegger embodies the cold, calculating terror of a cyborg assassin sent from the future to eliminate Sarah Connor. The Terminator is a gritty, suspenseful chase film that blends action and science fiction seamlessly. Cameron paints a bleak future ruled by machines, and the film's low-budget aesthetic adds to its raw, visceral impact. From the iconic score to Schwarzenegger's chilling performance, The Terminator is a landmark achievement in action cinema. 1982, the Vietnam War left scars on those who fought there. First Blood explores the trauma of Vietnam veterans through John Rambo. Sylvester Stallone delivers a haunting performance as a war hero pushed to the edge. First Blood is a character study and a thrilling survival story. The film's action scenes highlight Rambo's skills and the toll of war. First Blood cemented Stallone's status as an action icon. 1984, a streetwise Detroit cop in Beverly Hills, cinematic gold. Eddie Murphy's Beverly Hills Cop blends action, comedy and heart. Axel Foley is electric, fast-talking, rule-breaking and just. Beneath humor and car chases lies sharp class commentary. Beverly Hills Cop shows laughter as a powerful weapon. 1987. Deep in the jungles of Central America, a different kind of war is being waged. A team of elite soldiers led by Arnold Schwarzenegger is sent on a rescue mission, but they soon find themselves hunted by something far more deadly. Predator is a relentless, suspenseful thrill ride. Director John McTiernan creates an atmosphere of claustrophobic terror. The film's iconic creature design and cloaking device and the brutal action sequences make it a standout. 1987. Meet Martin Riggs and Roger Murtaugh, the iconic duo from Lethal Weapon. Mel Gibson's Riggs is a loose cannon, while Danny Glover's Murtaugh is a by-the-book family man. Their partnership forms the heart of the film, balancing humor, heart, and high-octane thrills. 1987. In a dystopian future Detroit overrun by crime and decay, a fallen officer is reborn as RoboCop. Paul Verhoeven's ultra-violent masterpiece satirizes corporate greed and media manipulation. Peter Weller, in the iconic RoboCop suit, brings stoic humanity to the role, a machine reclaiming his lost identity. RoboCop is a visual feast with stunning effects and unforgettable action. Beneath its hyper-violent exterior lies a thought-provoking exploration of humanity. 1981, buckle up for Mad Max 2: The Road Warrior. Mel Gibson returns as Max Rokitansky, roaming a post-apocalyptic Australia where gasoline is currency. This full-throttle sequel is an action masterpiece. Director George Miller immerses us in a world gone mad. Legendary practical effects with insane car chases and stunts. Beneath the chaos lies a story of survival and hope. 1983. The American Dream gets a blood-soaked makeover in Brian De Palma's Scarface. Al Pacino explodes onto the screen as Tony Montana, a Cuban refugee who claws his way to the top of Miami's drug trade. Scarface is a cautionary tale, a Shakespearean tragedy disguised as a gangster epic. A whirlwind of excess and paranoia as Tony's empire crumbles under his own greed. Scarface is both repulsive and mesmerizing, a brutal descent into the heart of darkness. 1981. Welcome to New York City, but not as you know it. In John Carpenter's Escape from New York, Manhattan is a maximum security prison. Kurt Russell, as Snake Plissken, rescues the president from this urban hellhole. Escape from New York is a gritty, dystopian thriller with Carpenter's signature synth score. Snake Plissken became an instant anti-hero icon. These movies didn't just entertain, they changed how audiences viewed action heroes, making them flawed, relatable, and enduring. Their influence can still be felt in today's action cinema. Which of these classics is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more cinematic history and analysis. See you next time.